What I'm taking home with me today is that when you are doing the value chain mapping, the most important thing is to identify areas that you can leverage, areas that points that you can come in as Heifer. What is it that you can do, or which areas can you influence, knowing that you cannot do everything. So as you are doing the value chain, it's important to start identifying those points that you think you are going to have the best impact on.
So from the training, I learned a lot from the other colleagues sharing their experience of the value chain that they have developed within their country. But more than that, the mapping exercise of the value chain, it gives us a clear chance of the clear focus of our program to have the cooperative where they should focus on and build the connection and the relation from one chant to another chant, which is very important for us. So it seems like we see a bit clearer position where we should be strengthen those cooperative so that they can be linked well and connected well to those actors.
Generally, I have learned a lot, not basically because it's very new, but it's something like how can we actually cascade this? Because of course the tools are there for available that we can read. It's in your website. But then again, reading it is different from we are really simulating to do it. So I've learned how I'm going to use the tool accordingly and properly, and how to really position the tool, not to really not going away from the real concept and context of the tool. Sometimes we are so overwhelmed with a lot of tools, yet again at some point, because we're just reading it. But through this training, I learned really how to attack, how to really use this tool, and then teach this tool to others.
I think I have got quite a lot, and I'm thinking when I get back, I will actually go and carry out a training for my field-based staff so that we can take analysis of all the activities, all the relations of the actors in the value chain, especially the dairy value chain that I'm implementing in Uganda. Because in the dairy value chain we have actors like the processors, we have the cooperatives, then we have the farmers, then we have others that are indirect partners like the agrobet, and then other NGOs and government actors, which we have been having a problem in analyzing their role and their position in the value chain. But through this training, I think we're going to make better analysis and be able to see where to intervene, to support the entire value chain, and be able to help the farmers, especially the businesses, flourish better than it used to be.
There are several concepts that was entirely new to me, just like business model canvas, that was really entirely new. So this is something I will be taking, and then it's very important. And then business, new business principles, and then prototypes. So these are some of the things that this is the first time I have heard.